Hello, clarinet players. We are going to begin with an important musical concept called tonguing. Anytime you play a note on your mouthpiece and barrel or on your full instrument, we need to make sure we tongue our notes. Every note that we play should start with the syllable T. Everyone just say T. Now see if you can do this. T. And now try this. T. And last one, try this. T, 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 T. If you'll notice, every time we're saying that syllable T, our tongue is moving in our mouth, and that's how we're going to tongue the notes. Let's see if we can do that on our mouthpiece and barrel. Don't forget, when you have your reed set up, it needs to be covering the entire opening of your mouthpiece. And then your ligature, the metal part, needs to be down far enough on your reed so that you're not blocking the opening of that mouthpiece. Once you have that set up, make a cushion with your bottom lip around your bottom teeth, and your top teeth gently bite down, and then you just close up your lips. Let's play for 4, rest for 4 in whole notes. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 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 rest. Rest one more time. Now, if you were tonguing the notes using that syllable T, you should have felt the tip of your tongue hitting the tip of the reed. See if we could try that with play for 4, rest for 4 in 4 quarter notes. The tip of the tongue hits the tip of the reed. 1, 2, ready, play for 4. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, rest, one more time. And if you're tonguing in the notes correctly, we should have the corners firm in our mouth, almost like we're doing a half smile, like this. And our cheeks should stay right in place. We don't want our cheeks to puff out. We want them to be just like they normally would, with our corners firm. That's how you're going to get a good sound while you're tonguing the notes with the tip of your tongue hitting the tip of the reed. Once you're able to do that, go ahead and put the rest of your instrument together. Don't forget that the reed should be on the same side as our thumb key here, or the thumb rest. The reed's on the side where there's not a lot of keys. And then if you look at the front, all of our keys should be perfectly in line going down. Don't forget about your bridge keys on the side that kind of overlap one another. You want to make sure those are in the right place, and then you know your instrument is set up correctly. Once you have that, don't forget our left hand goes on top and the right hand's on the bottom. You'll take your thumb in the right hand, you rest it under the thumb rest, just right above your fingernail. And then we're going to review note name E. That's with our thumb covering the hole, and then our first finger over the first hole. Let's play for 4, rest for 4 on note name E. Don't forget to start each note with a T. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 rest. And now, let's play for 4, rest for 4 in 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 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 rest. Once you're able to successfully do that, it's time to learn our second note. The second note name we're going to learn is note name D. And all we do for D is take our second finger and we cover it over the second hole. So now we have our thumb, first finger, second finger. And that's note name D. It sounds like this. Let's play for 4, rest for 4. Whole notes on note name D. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, one more time. And now, play for 4, rest for 4 in 4 quarter notes on note name D. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. Once you're able to do that, it's time to put note name E and D together. The best way to do that is to practice just switching between the notes and saying the letter names. So you would go like this: E, D, E, D. Once you're able to do that successfully, see if you can play for 4, rest for 4 in whole notes, switching between the 2 notes. We're going to start with E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, rest to D. Rest, rest, back to E, here we go. Rest, rest, one more time to D. Now remember, clarinets, I don't expect you to practice for an hour in a row without stopping. But I do expect that you practice for small amounts of time, multiple times every single day. That's how we're going to get really, really good at our instrument. And at any point in the video, you can pause it and rewind it. If I might have went too fast or you need to review something, just pause the video and go back to the section that you need a little extra help with. So have fun practicing, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.